Hello friends, hope you're all doing good and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm planning to make chicken curry. So instead of making the usual gravy with caramelized onions for a change, I thought let's make something nutritious. I'm adding spinach or palak to the chicken. So let's make Palak Murgh or spinach chicken. This is like dhaba style. We can enjoy the dry version with rotis and naans, and it's really very delicious. So shall we get started to make this healthy and tasty chicken curry with spinach? Palak Murgh or Saag Murgh chicken curry with spinach. This is a delicious chicken preparation with the goodness and nutrition of healthy spinach. It pairs well with rotis or Indian flatbreads. Here are the ingredients. 1 bunch of blanched spinach, you can use fresh also. Onions half cup, green chilies 1 or 2, chicken 500 grams, tomatoes 1 or 2 cut into pieces, oil 4 to 5 tablespoons, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, ginger 1-inch piece grated, garam masala powder half teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt to taste, and 1-inch piece cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, and 2-3 cloves. Ingredients list also can be checked in the description box. Now let's get started. Heat the oil in a pan. When it is hot, add the whole spices first. Toss them until they give out a nice aroma. Next, add the ginger and garlic. Saute them until they change color. Now add the green chilies followed by onion and saute them together. You will saute until the onion becomes translucent, stirring it in between. Now add the tomatoes and little salt over them. This helps in cooking the tomatoes faster. Give it a nice stir and cover with the lid and cook on low flame. Now the onions are cooked and soft. At this stage, add the chicken pieces. Now we are going to stir fry the chicken a bit. Cover with the lid and slow cook. Every minute you open the lid and keep stirring it. You can see that color of the chicken has changed. It's become whitish. Add all the spices, spice powders, except garam masala, which we are going to add in the end. Give them a nice mix. Until all the spices are coated on the chicken. Cover with the lid and simmer it again. About half a minute or so. When you open the lid, you will see the oil has started separating now. Now we can add the blanched spinach. If you are adding fresh, you can just chop it up and add. Fresh is always better any day, but sometimes this also comes handy when you have lot of spinach. You can just freeze it after blanching. Now give it a nice mix and cover it to cook, stirring it intermittently. Now spinach is a high fiber food that adds volume, color and texture to your recipes. It's rich in vitamins, folic acid, iron and calcium. It has a lot of health benefits. It's low in calories and fat also. It reduces the cancer risk, protects eye health, prevents hair loss. So we must include it in our diet. Now check the salt, add if required, and cover it again to cook on medium flame. Time to time open the lid and stir. We are going to cook until the chicken is done and the moisture is all absorbed. Add the Garam Masala towards the end. Give it a mix and cover the lid again. Let it cook on low flame. Add some coriander leaves also. You can see now the water is getting dried up. Check for the doneness if the chicken is done. And simmer until it is nice and soft. It's nearly done. Now the water is all dried up. Chicken also is cooked very well. Ready to be served. Dish it out and enjoy with any kind of roti, rumali roti, naan. I'm sure you'll love this chicken preparation which has taste and nutrition combined together. Do check out other palak recipes also like Sindhi Sai Bhaji. You might like to try it out too. Happy cooking and stay tuned for the next video. Take care. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.